everybody. I'm Dr. Meenakshi Dhar from Center for Sight, New Delhi, and I'm here to talk of myopia and its relevance, especially in these COVID times. We know our small little organ called the eye, is, which weighs less than 30 grams, is our window to the world. It helps us see all the beauty of creation. Rays of light get focused onto retina from where the message is taken to the brain. If the rays of light get focused in front of the retina, either because the eye is very large or because the focusing mechanisms are strong, we get a big defocused image. This defocused image is made clear by wearing glasses or contact lenses. So, a parent, if a child has myopia, should never try to hesitate in giving glasses to their child. Because only if the children see clearly will their pathways for vision develop well in the brain. This is especially important in the first 1 decade of life and up to being a teenager. These COVID times have ensured that all education goes online. Children, even in their first class or nursery, are forced to be in front of the screen, whether it be mobile or computer. This is leading to a lot of eye strain because children have to do a lot of near work for extended periods of time. This actually would be detrimental for myopia. We as parents and as teachers or as clinicians have to ensure that we try to introduce a digital detox, which has minimal recreational time spent in front of a computer or a screen. Also, we should involve the children in activities in and around the house, whether it be cleaning, being involved in kitchen, with baking, or with cooking, or with art, or with music, which takes them away from the screen. For this, we need to be good role models ourselves. It has been proven that outdoor activities as well as exposure to sunlight actually delays both onset as well as progression of myopia. But till such time that our children can be out in the open, we can at least ensure that we keep a good vigil and have greater control on their time in front of a computer screen. Thank you.